be relaxed with the hands. You don't need to grip it. This car will go all the way down this runway with your hands off the steering wheel.
Sure.
Okay, so just nice and gently.
Okay.
Away you go.
Just the tarmac is not straight, so yeah, quite remarkable.
So what we do with the suspension, as we're braking, it front loads the suspension, so it brakes nice and flat. Unlike other marques, what tends to happen is all the weight gets thrown forward, which means all that load is then on the braking area in the front, and then you start getting that squirreling.
Yeah.
Because the car's not running flat. So then your stopping distance is reduced massively. Okay, let's get back to the VIP lounge to allow your colleague to have a drive.